Samsung has broken all the records. What's up guys, so as we know, Samsung had a few rough months. They lost their number one position to Xiaomi. The S21 sales were low despite Samsung doing almost everything right. But now the redemption is happening and that number one position might be regained. Samsung has proved all the haters wrong. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Flip 3 are selling like hot freaking cakes. Actually way better than Samsung's last two flagship generations, the Galaxy S21 and the beloved Note 20 series. According to Bloomberg's analyst from South Korea, Samsung is absolutely killing it in the home market with about 30% better sales than the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and a whopping 80% better sales than the S21 lineup. That is actually pretty shocking because I never thought that about the S21 lineup. In just 5 days, the Galaxy Z series was able to cross about 900,000 units, which is a lot more compared to what the S21 series achieved within the time frame. If this keeps up, the stock could run low. According to the news, Samsung has already started sending out emails to the customers who pre-ordered the Galaxy Z Flip 3, Z Fold 3, and not just these devices, but also the Watch 4 and the Watch 4 Classic, that they should expect some delay in getting the shipment. The 512GB version of the Galaxy Fold 3 is completely sold out in Germany, with the availability happening next month. As for India, it is said that the Galaxy Z series sales are about 2.7 times higher than the last year's Galaxy Note lineup. Samsung is truly having an absolutely incredible sales time. This is exactly what they needed to make the comeback. Like I said, if this keeps up, Samsung could very likely attain that number one position once again, as we have seen that the numbers between Xiaomi and Samsung are very close. Now, according to Ross Young, Samsung will aim to produce about 7 million units of its foldable Z series this year. This is something that no one expected because the original number was thought to be around 4 million mark. Now, as far as which foldable device is doing better, it's actually the Z Flip 3. It has about 70% of the sales compared to the 30% remaining for the Fold 3. Now, just today, the Z series is being launched in about 40 countries worldwide, and by October, they're going to be available in about 130 countries. Now, the success is not just for the standard models, but the special edition of Z Fold 3 and Flip 3 also got sold out in about 5 minutes in Taiwan, which is absolutely crazy. So far, it seems like Samsung has erupted like a volcano with their brand new Z series lineup. I'm really curious to see if Samsung can keep this momentum up and how these devices will perform in other markets. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comment section below. Also in the news, ladies and gentlemen, it is happening. Samsung's biggest Android 12 Mega One UI 4.0 update is coming pretty soon. A Galaxy S21 Ultra rocking Android 12 was benchmarked on Geekbench 5. As you can see, it clearly says Android 12. This means that someone out there is already rocking Android 12 on their S21 Ultra, probably some Samsung employee. What this means for us is that the update will come out very soon. So that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to enter my Galaxy Buds 2 giveaway. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.